If the video we record looks shaky, we can fix it by using Adobe Premiere Pro. If the footage has been inserted into the project panel, drag and drop the footage into the timeline. The first step to do, go to the Effects panel view. In the search field, type Warp Stabilizer. When it appears, drag the Warp Stabilizer effect to the footage in the timeline. After that, the artificial intelligence system of Premiere Pro will analyze the video. When viewed in the Effect Control panel, there will be a setting for the Warp Stabilizer. For footage that is not too shaky, you can lower the smoothness value. In this tutorial, I'll use the default settings. The process of analyzing can take a long time, depending on the duration of the footage. So just wait until the process is 100% complete. If the analyzing process is complete, it will go into the stabilizing process. After success, the video display will be enlarged and cropped automatically according to the settings in the effect control. If you use a sequence whose size is different from the footage, an error message will appear like that. To fix it, nest the footage. After that, we can insert the Warp Stabilizer effect. And this is the difference between unstabilized and stabilized videos. That's how to fix a shaky video using Premiere Pro. And thanks for watching.